There you go.
This is awesome.
Make them straight. There we go.
All right, what's the setup for the day?
We got just a white little jig on that one.
It's supposed to be pretty, because fish like pretty things.
We got Castmaster on this one, white jig there. Gonna tip it with some mealworms. There's one. Good thing you're not a fish.
Okay, boys and girls, you guys are about to learn something. So if you guys don't happen to have a rod with you, this is how you can make an easy little makeshift rod. So all you need is just a couple sticks. Perfect. Let's try and get across this without falling in. So, okay, look right there. There's water right there. Preferably you would have actual string, but I don't have any of that on me, so you just want to tie it in an X like this. Sure. You should probably get it a little farther out. A lot of fish. Look, this thing has a perfect notch for a natural reel. That's sick. And I also cut in a notch so I can just slip in the line right here, so you can adjust the depth. The idea here is that when a fish takes your bait, the thing flips up like this and notifies you, and then the cross piece locks it in so the fish doesn't take your setup. Perfect, so now we can just leave this here and wait for a fish. Abel's got a fish. Let's go check it out. Looks like it's a perch. Oh. My uncle just caught a pretty decent perch, so we're gonna now move positions, try and catch some more because we gotta cook them up for you guys. It's an extremely obese perch. Okay, Sam here is gonna eat some of the roe from this perch. I don't know if that's even safe, but
It's safe. Free salmon.
all right.
You're gonna poop out some baby fish.
It's like rubber balls. Oh, it just deflated. We could probably fry this up and try.
Oh my goodness.
That is
Ladies
so
and gentlemen,
many eggs.
we are gonna cook up these eggs after we fry up this fish.
And that's why there's an unlimited limit on perch.
This is as fresh as it gets. You pull it right out of the ice into the pan.
Excuse me?
Ooh. The fisherman gets the first bite. Okay.
Yes. Kind of flatten it a little bit. Okay. So. It's actually pretty good.
We're zoomed in.
It's got a little flavor.
Out of 10, what?
No, that's about 6, maybe. Maybe, well, barely 7.
That is surprisingly good.
All right, I'm gonna give this a taste test real quick. This stuff tastes kind of like how you would expect it to. Abel's caught another one. Today's picking up. That's a nice one too. Let's go, folks. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 perch. The limit's 50 a guy, so. Good job, Tommy.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a fat one.
I got it.
Yeah.
Kiss it. 4 or 5 more there, Tommy. 4 or 5 more there. 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 4 or 5 more
There we go, guys. Another one.
Oh, nice.
Let's go. There we go, boys. It's a nicer one. I'm trying to lip it and it like closed its mouth on me. Let's get some more.
Come on. Oh, that's a good one.
Samo's on. Hey, there we go again.
It's big.
That's a fat one. All these fish are like obese.
It's huge.
One thing that really entices the fish to bite is you want to have like some tail of like a worm or something that'll kind of flap and you pick it up and down.
It's smaller than the other one, I think. It's not fighting. Tom, is that one big too? Dad, it's huge.
Yee, there we go. There we go, boys and girls. Ah. While I wait for my rod to catch fish, I'm gonna cook up that other one. You know what? Before I cook that perch, I'm gonna check the tip up, see if we have a fish on. Alright, so we're gonna use some Slappy Mama spice and some salt and pepper that I mixed together in this little jar. Gotta get some on the inside. Now let's throw on some salt. That was way too much. Ooh, that thing almost. Oh my gosh. She is done. Let's see what the guys think about it. Okay. This is really good. Really good.
Come on, John.
The cook.
Come on.
That's good.
Told you.
That seasoning I put on it.
But that doesn't taste like trout or anything. It has its like distinct flavor.
The good piece.
Come on, that was a small piece.
I like it.
Rate it out of 10, Tommy.
9. It's a 9.
It's a 9? 9? It's a 90%. That's an A.
There we go. It's definitely a 9.
Oh yeah. He's a cook, so he knows what he's
Tastes
talking
good.
about.
It's a little undercooked, but tastes
A little undercooked. I thought it was cooked. All right, guys, welcome back. We are back at the house. We have all the perch in the sink. So we've never filleted fish before, but we're gonna try it.
We have a little assembly line going on here. So on this one, I'm skinning these because you have to skin the perch. I mean, their scales are like leather. And John's filleting them because he's better at filleting these fish.
Put in some Slappy Mama in here. This stuff is so good. If you guys want to buy it, link in bio. Okay, stop. We got our fillet. Just gonna dip it in there. You guys are perfect. The moment you've all been waiting for, we're gonna now put in the meat into the oil.
That's just flow.
That's right. Oh, you don't have any fish yet. Oh, you don't. Say something. Okay. It's so good. It's so good. I usually don't chew with both cheeks, but it's really good. Spot on, mate. Spot on.